Hey, my name is Daisha Marie 11. Give my Bible, just peace, spread the word. I'm gonna do a quick tutorial / time lapse video of the sponge, which you gotta pick the hair out first and make sure your hair is clean, please. So here's that. It's picked out, done. So there's two sides, and the flat side. Here's the bumpy, lumpy side. I just ordered it on Amazon for like $5, and let's see how it goes. So, see you soon. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Right in the middle of the time lapse, my battery died right in the middle of it. I was just like, what the fuck? But whatever. This is the result. Oh my god. This is the result that I have, except the one section that doesn't want to do anything. So I'll give you a close-up. So I had to use both sides. So I start with the skinny side, the flat side, to get it started. Now use the bumpy side to section it better. And it's not a 15-minute process if you want to start Locs. Because I have patience, which is not something I have, but I'm trying. So just give it patience, time. And once you get going, you'll be fine. It's just after a while your arm gets tired. So this is the result I have so far. Just one section doesn't want to do anything. So I might have to braid some of them in. Once I get my haircut into a fade, I'm gonna have to finalize this and just leave it and let it freeform do whatever. So I'm gonna be maintaining my own locks. So my lock journey actually starts on June 2nd. Oh my god, I'm gonna be 30. So I'll see you again on Friday at the before and after. And keep on vibing, keep on says peace, spread the words. Oh, let me put my camera down. Please like, give a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and please share the video. Please enjoy. Keep on vibing, keep on says peace, spread the words. See you Friday. Peace.